So this assessment task is broken up into two sections. Task 4A, which is the art making task, which you'll be completing in class, and then it's also has another component, which is part B, which will be your theory component. Part A consists of creating a digital print using Pixlr online image editor on the theme of your imaginary school. The references must be made to the data movement. So you'll be taught what the data movement is in class, and you'll be completing part of that content through your theory component as well. You need to refer to quite a few attachments. There's 3 attachments, and the first one is here. And whenever you see this blue font, you'll notice that you can click on these as a link. So when you click on this one, for example, this is referred to attachment number 1, and this takes you through a step-by-step guide of how you can make your artwork. So as you click on this, it will take you to a separate attachment where it guides you step by step of what to do to create your art making. On the right hand side, there's a column here for you to tick and date when you complete each task as you go through. So step 1 is to create a mind map in your VAPD, and this is just a written task. So the whole idea is to think of an imaginary school and come up with 15 to 20 ideas around a mind map in your VAPD. So I've put a few examples here of examples for you to think about when coming up with your ideas. So examples are circus, beach, shopping centre, etc. As you scroll down after you've done your written mind map, you need to go onto the internet for step 2, and you need to collect some images that portray these ideas around your mind map. I've put 2 links in here, so you'll see again that this blue font is here for you to click on, and you can actually go to these sites. These 2 sites here give you free images, so you don't need to worry about copyright or any issues about referring to images that aren't your own. These are all available for you to use for free. So these 2 sites, you can create a little folder in your desktop to collect images on your chosen theme or themes and start a collection for those. As you scroll down, you'll see step 3. You actually need to go out, and your teacher will take you through this process, each lesson. You'll take a range of photos around the school. So this can include the buildings, the playgrounds, statues, etc. Because these are all going to be incorporated into your digital collage. Step 4, you need to complete a sketch that you sort of have an idea of what you're going to put and where in your digital collage. So these will include images from step 2 and images from step 3 as well. So you're going to combine your images from the internet that you've researched about your themes, and then also combine your images that you've taken on your iPhone around the school. Then step 5, and this will be your main big task that you complete in class with your teacher. You'll use an online site called Pixlr, and this is very similar to Photoshop, where you actually are allowed to incorporate your images together and design a collage that you can use many tools like cropping and change the hue or the saturation of images, and you can place them together, cut them out, crop them, and to create your final composition of your artwork. Last of all is step 6, where when you've completed your digital image, you're actually going to insert it into your theory task. So this is where both tasks are actually linked. So just going back to your main task, so that's attachment 1. It explains here that the majority of the art making task will be done during class time. So you and your teacher will guide you through the Pixlr demonstration, and will also guide you and direct you into a way that you are making sure that you understand how to create a collage and where this whole idea comes from. When you're finished, it just requires you to make sure that you do put that final image that you've completed into your audio gallery guide, which is slide 6 of your theory task. And then it says there that manual collages by hand will be accepted in special circumstances. So if you are unable to use a computer or laptop, you need to see your teacher, and they will allow you some time and some resources to work on your manual collage or your analog collage.